Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Gemini Google Assistant on your Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your Google application on your Android mobile phone and you're going to go to the Google setting. You can click on your profile and you're going to go to the settings right here. Tap on the setting and then select the Gemini. Okay, and you are going to scroll down until you find digital assistant from Google. And if you want to turn off the Gemini Google Assistant, you can move the assistant to the Google Assistant like this. And I'm going to click on the switch. Okay, and it's already switched. Wait. And then if you still want to turn off your Google Assistant, you're going to go back to the setting and then go to the Google Assistant. Then you're going to select voice match and you can scroll down until you find the Hey Google option and make sure you turn off this Hey Google here to turn off your Google Assistant. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn off Gemini Google Assistant. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.